Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your Discord experience. Today we're going to walk you through the simple steps to leave a Discord server. Whether you're looking to declutter your server list or simply move on from a community, this guide is for you. First, let's get started by opening the Discord app on your mobile device. This could be an iPhone or an Android phone. Either way, the process is similar. Once you've launched the app, tap on the home icon to access your server list. You'll see all the servers you're currently a part of displayed here. Now, find the server you want to leave and long press on it. This will open a small menu with a few options. Tap on More Options to expand this menu further. As you scroll down, you'll see several settings related to the server, including notification preferences and more. At the bottom of this menu, you'll find the Leave Server option. Tap on it to initiate the process. You'll be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to leave the server. This is your chance to reconsider if needed, but if you're certain, go ahead and confirm by tapping Yes. Once you've confirmed, you'll be immediately removed from the server, and it will no longer appear in your list. This is a great way to keep your Discord experience organized and focused on the communities that matter most to you. Leaving a server doesn't affect your account or any other servers you're part of. It simply removes you from that specific community, allowing you to streamline your online interactions. Whether you're managing multiple servers for different hobbies or just want to tidy up your digital space, these steps make it easy to do so. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your Discord servers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.